This presentation is a review of the 5 themes of geography that we have learned in class. Geography is the study of the Earth's surface, includes people's responses to topography and climate and soil and vegetation. What are the 5 themes of geography? The 5 themes of geography are categories that scientists use to study the Earth's features: movement, region, human-environmental interaction, location, and place. Movement. Humans interact with each other as well as many places and things almost every day. We travel from place to place. We communicate with each other in many different ways, and we depend on products, information, and ideas that come from outside of our own environments. Movement explores where different resources are located, the people that use them, and how they are transported to locations all over the Earth's surface. The theme of movement helps us understand how we connect with and depend on other regions, cultures, and people in the world. How are people, goods, information, and ideas moved from place to place? Well, people and goods are moved by trucks and cars, planes, trains, buses, and boats, as some examples. Information is moved from mail, computers with the internet and email, and telephones. Ideas are moved from magazines and books, radios, and television. Regions. Scientists divide the Earth's land into sections, called regions, based on certain traits those sections share. Regions may be created based on the same climate, location, languages and cultures of the people, and landforms, like mountains or plains, wetlands, or deserts. Examples are North America and South America are based on a location on the map. And Latin America is primarily Spanish-speaking countries. Here's a map of the United States broken up into regions of the United States. Human environmental interactions. How people interact with their surroundings. People depend on their environment. We depend on the land or the soil to grow food. We depend on rivers and streams for drinking water or transporting goods. People modify the environment or change the environment. We pave roads to travel on. We clear land to build houses and buildings on. People adapt to their environment. For example, in very hot, sunny environments, they wear lighter clothing to stay cool, and they wear heavier clothing in cold environments. There are consequences as well as benefits to the action we take in interacting with our environment. A positive interaction would be more interaction between people of different cultures. A negative would be that we're using the Earth's natural resources quicker. We're polluting the air and global warming. Location. The theme of location answers the question, where is it? It describes a place on Earth. There are 2 kinds of location. There is absolute location, which is the exact location on planet Earth. And then relative location is how it compares to another location. Absolute location, which we said was the exact location on Earth, we'll use latitude and longitude most of the time. For example, the degrees of latitude or longitude on a globe or map. Or it can also use what you would use to mail something, the address of a house or a building. Relative location is the location of a place in relation to another place. It can be described as north, south, east, west, landmarks that are nearby, or distance from one place to another. An example would be Our school is west of Telegraph Road and 4 blocks from the fire station. Place. The theme place answers the question, what is it like there? A place is often known by its own special characteristics. Characteristics are special traits or qualities that a place can have. Types of characteristics for place are human and physical. Human characteristics are going to be the main customs, languages, beliefs of the people in a specific place, special traditions or holidays, clothing styles, political ideas, and architecture. Physical characteristics are going to be mountains and plains, oceans, rivers, lakes, climate, whether it's hot or cold, types of animals that live there, and what types of plants live there. In conclusion, scientists use the 5 themes of geography so they can understand how the world works and what people can do to make it better for all of us.